The lots on display at HQ are generally of the 2- or 4-wheeled variety, but the odd item crops up with an odd number of wheels. In fact, some of them are very odd.
Put brake on.
It won't...
Hang on. Halt steps, we're off, we're away. Whoa, mother. Whoa. No, I think we'll pack that one up. We'll go for 3 wheels, I think, rather than just the one.
The 3-wheeler in question is a Sinclair C5.
Are you ready? Wow, it's just what we want. It's got pedals on.
I won't get in that.
Can I get in?
Yeah, go on, mate.
Handlebars are at the wrong end. Hang on. Got my foot fast. Hey, it goes. I've got a bit of wheel spin, I think.
Do you want a push?
Can you give me a push, please?
Oh.
I've got handlebars up my bum. We're away. Oh, it's a piece of cake, is this?
Yeah.
Hey,
when I'm pushing.
Keep going, George. Could you pull me back, please? Because I seem as though I haven't got reverse gear on it. Hang on. Beep, 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 beep.
The C5 is a fascinating, if niche, piece of vehicle history. Even the younger Matthewsons are intrigued.
What they've been doing now?
Going up and down in this.
Kids would love it, wouldn't they?
A nice one. They do a fortune. There's one on eBay at the moment. For electric as well, or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a big battery goes with it.
It's got potential, is that?
Workers' playtime's over, and the C5 needs a new home. And any buyer will have to get to grips with its futuristic technology.
It's got, like, bike brake blocks on now, look. Old-fashioned push bike brake, isn't it? It's a bit rusty under it. It's obviously been stood a long time. You would rebuild, you'd do it up. Go wrong, it's all fiberglass. Metal parts, it's just like a push bike. Yeah, it's repairable.
Yeah. So we're getting busier out there, so...
I'll take the heavy end rent.
So...
Hang on. Ooh, nothing to do with the car. There you go, she's up.
If you remember them from your youth, you think, I'll have one of them.
The Sinclair C5 has not gone unnoticed by punter John Futter.
I've always liked them. War lass has a little nephew who's not very well, and I always thought it'd be good to put him in that, if I can get it working.
Lift it down. Just get under on the side.
Oh, hey, this isn't heavy, is it?
Spot on the deck. Oh!
This is exactly like a bike, isn't it? I was told when you read up on it, the chassis are what you watch for. It's all right. It's not as bad as it looks, it just needs a bit of attention.
Right, do you want to pop it back up?
Yeah.
Ready?
Is there any chance of putting it somewhere where no one will see it?
Well, half it.
Put it back over there. It's another example of something that you probably missed out on as a kid. Might be worth a punt.
What do you reckon it's worth? 500 quid?
No. And keep the bugger for that. I want an engine in the bugger for £500. I think it's a punt at 200.
I think it'd be a bargain at 200, to be honest.
Do you? We'll see.
Sir Clive Sinclair's brainchild only weighs 45 kilograms, 15 of which is the battery. One of 5,000 produced, this could be the one for John's lass's nephew.
Hello, is that Mr. Futter?
Dave has the very prudent John Futter on the line.
You wanted to buy a Sinclair C5?
Sinclair C5, a bit before their time, weren't they, these?
Sensible they are now, though, when we were selling them at £1,000 a
I know, can't believe that, I know. Yeah, we'll need a new battery, we always do, don't they? There we are then, whereabouts, 300, 320, 320, 320 pounds, 340, 340, 340 pounds, 360, 380.
400.
400 pound, Dave, look, throwing money around like a man with no arms. 420, 420, do you want 40, Dave? 420.
Gonna go for
420 and sold.
60, 80. Oh, but hang on, it's jumped up on internet.
Oh, hang on, we'll just let it go on its own. 480 we're on, Dave. Do you want 500 quid?
500 now.
Too late. 500 pound. Is the 20? 500?
550.
550.
70.
70. 570.
600.
600 pound. I thought he might. 600 pound.
With you at 6.
That it then? 600 pound for the first, second, third and last time.
He has now. Right, so it's yours for 600 and have fun with it. All right. Cheers. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I said, it's yours, you've won it. And his next words were, it's a lot more than what I wanted to pay for it. So He's happy anyway. He says, you know, it's a one-off and I've got it. So, yeah, another happy customer.
That's the three-wheeler gone. Next up, another pedal-powered oddity.
Blue Unicycle. Pack it in your boot, take it home with you, take it on the train, do what you like. We're £100, sold and gone, £100, 110, £110 on the phone for the first, second, third and last time, sold, Meg's phone.
It's departure day for the hundreds of lots that have passed through the auction, and one of them has caught the boss's eye.
Yeah, well, lovely bike. I don't know what it is, but it is absolutely superb.
Derek's admiring a Simson Avow, designed and built in East Germany, a bike that came in from the Cold War.
Oh, that is comfortable, I bet. Look at that. I'll tell you what, oh, beautiful, isn't it? She's perfect for me. I've got short legs, so I can't ride these bigger bikes. I can't. I'm leaning over like one leg in the air and the other one down the air. What a lovely machine. I saw it being sold and I thought, blimey, that price is wrong on that. It was way, way under reserved. Way under. And I thought, no, this can't be right. No, we're going to have to do something about this. And sure enough, people out there must have realised just what it was or what value it is, and all of a sudden the price started taking off, and I think it wound up at like 4 something. You know, in my opinion, this is a 6 or 7 grand bike, no trouble at all. I could only assume it's early 50s. But talk about comfortable. Absolutely gorgeous. These old girls, I mean, they're just a bit of me, aren't they? And the flat tank stuff's even better still. You know, I feel right. I just feel lovely. I could ride it anywhere, just really enjoy it until it rained. Yes, I do hope whoever's bought it is going to be pleased and appreciate it, because I'm sure they will. It is a lovely machine.
Are you excited for the bike?
Yes, I'm really excited and I cannot wait.
The sun's shining in County Durham, especially on Zbigniew Andrzejczyk and his family, who are awaiting the arrival of their East German Simson Avow motorbike.
I'm quite sure that the bike will start as a first kick.
Do you remember the first time when you actually had this bike?
Zbigniew's daughter, Angelika, played the vital part in acquiring a bike her dad had lusted after for decades.
But my dad's got a thing for things that are very unique. If you ask anyone in England what's an AWO, absolutely no idea. He loves motorbikes all his life. However, it didn't matter how many times we tried to convince him to purchase any bike. He always said, no, I want this one.
And the auction gave Angelika a rare chance to make her father's dreams come true.
I was sat at my laptop, absolutely stressing my head off, and then the auction began, and it wasn't what I expected. It wasn't. It was supposed to be £500 to £1,000, and within 5 seconds, literally like this, it went 1,700, 2,000, 2,200, 23. Next thing you know, it's 2,700, and I wanted to spend two grand, but then the other guy gave up. So here we are. But it's just a one-off opportunity in life, and you can purchase clothes, you can purchase material things, but something that is someone's dream is a one-off opportunity. Are you ready, Mum? Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Kyle.
I was
you
born
ready?
ready. Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
How long have you been waiting for this moment?
40 years.
It's a long time.
Slightly, yeah. Can't wait.
O Boże, tato. Mom, I think I broke Dad. Chodź, chodź.
Thank you so much.
Jesus Christ. Why do you guys?
It's a beauty, isn't it?
I didn't expect that this bike will make that much emotion. Amazing. I have no words. I have an Avo.
I told you, your dream will come true. And it is.
It was worth it.
Delivering dreams, aren't you?
Delivering dreams, exactly, yeah. A lot of bike couriers do use that actual phrase, so I'll not say that phrase. But it's a very satisfying part of the job. To see someone achieve a dream like that, it really puts a lump in the throat.
That seat looks bizarre.
Do you know?
Yeah, don't sit on that. That's not. You don't sit there, Dad. I know it's been many, many years since you've been on a motorbike, but you don't sit on the wheel.
Well, we can be just proud of ourselves. I'm very happy that he's happy. It's a big thing for him. And I was a bit stressed that the bike will take over of me, you know, and he will love this bike more than me. And the first thing what he did, he kissed me and hugged me, and we did a good job.
Yes. Now we'll just have to stop thinking about the bank account.
It happened.